As an NPC deputy from Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region, President Xi Jinping joined a panel discussion with his fellow deputies on Tuesday, March 5th. There, he repeatedly underlined the phrase ecological civilization. So why did Xi focus on environmental protection during their discussion? And what does Xi have in mind for the ecological advancement of Inner Mongolia and the rest of the country? I'm Katie Capstick, and this is Xi at TwoSessions. Inner Mongolia stretches across China's vast northern border area. Taking up about 12% of China's land, the region is made up of diverse geographical landscapes ranging from forests to deserts and from grasslands to wetlands. During the discussion, Xi called for greater efforts in building Inner Mongolia into an important shield for ecological security, since the conditions of its ecology impact not only the locals but also North China and the entire country.
我们就是那个沙区，我们也是这个生态最脆弱的地区。总书记这个指示和这个战略定位，实际也是对我们的具体的指导。
As on many other occasions, Xi rejected the notion of economic growth at the price of the environment. So ecological protection is something China must put more focus on if its economy is to transition from rapid growth to high-quality development. And with an abundance of expertise and resources, Inner Mongolia and the rest of China should drive forward measures to guarantee ecological protection, showing how, as Xi pointed out, environmental protection and economic development are closely integrated and complementary.
他又指出说，内蒙古要把那个生态搞好，不要以这个牺牲环境来发展。讲的这个非常好，我觉得这个结合我们内蒙古的实际。
As our world comes to terms with the reality of a changing climate, air and water pollution and endangered wildlife, it is absolutely crucial for this massive country to adhere to its policy on environment protection, ensuring bluer skies, cleaner oceans, greener pastures and happier people. As China's third biggest provincial region in terms of area, Inner Mongolia has a big role to play in accelerating China's fight against pollution, one of the 3 tough battles the country said it must win. But with Xi's guidance, the region can truly demonstrate how humans and nature can coexist in harmony. See you next time.